Hello, I am Nitumuni Kalita and I am associated with ACLG project as a district coordinator of Kamrup district. Today I am going to present you our projected school named 73 Nong Majorkuri Boys LP School. So please follow me. Come. So these are our students. So please come. Hi students. Okay. This is our facilitators.
Hello Nigoni. Toy more kyo kesa juponi. Angili. Aji to moi kudai neru. Tete Nigoni ki kole? Kena dia kole dekhai dia. Prabhu eri dia. Moi ketia ba apuna bipod
car, kauri, kagos.
Addressing COVID-19 learning gap is an initiative of Action Education, and the project is implementing in 7 districts of Assam. And we have a target to reach 1 lakh children through this project. For this, we are conducting learning sessions and learning sessions for class 3 to class 8 children, and life skill program and career counseling program for class 9 to class 12, and STEM and coding activity for the girls. So at last we want to say that through this project we can help the student for their better future, and thank you for visiting us. Thanks once again.